Good morning, investors. This is a brand new video on the Mr. Investor YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at whales, crypto whales, what I do to watch them, see what they're invested in, see what they're doing with their crypto. Are they yield farming? Are they staking? Are they providing liquidity? What platforms are they using? And today I'm going to see and teach you how I do all of this. Before we go into that though, Coingecko here. Bitcoin dominance 42.3%. It is dropping and dropping and dropping. Alt season is here. If you haven't noticed, Bitcoin Cash, look at that 46% increase in the last 7 days. That's insane. Litecoin 41% increase. Ethereum Classic 162% in the last 7 days. So altcoin season is definitely here. But Ethereum breaking the 4K mark, super cool to see. I'm assuming this is because they have, Ethereum staking is now on Coinbase. For those that are on the wait list, they're allowing people that are on the wait list to start depositing their ETH to staking at 6% APY. Obviously, the more ETH that's locked up, the less circulating supply, making Ethereum more scarce. So I thought my price target of 3,500 wasn't going to be broken until later on down the road. um, I said that my price prediction for the bull run was be 5K at the top, and it looks like I'm gonna be way wrong here at the current rate it's going. So we'll see what happens. I've seen people predicting 10K ETH, 20K ETH. Now I have no idea. So I'm just sitting back and I'm enjoying the ride and seeing where this all goes. Just looking over at DeFi pulse here, $85 billion locked up now. In the last 7 days or so, we've added a nice 13 billion, which is cool to see. DeFi Pulse at 561. But let's get into the whale watching. Okay, so the platform that I use, or the app I use, is called Zapper, and I'll put the link in the description. It's Zapper.fi, and it's super easy to use. And so you may ask, okay, well, Mr. Investor, how do you go about finding these addresses to put in here? Super easy. So let's start here. I have my tokens that I want to look at, okay? I clicked chain link. Looking at the chain link page, it gives me all this kind of information. I open Etherscan, and it gives me this. Okay, so it shows me the supply, the holders, the latest transfers, transactions, all that stuff. But I want to go to holders. Okay, so now this is how I see the top 1,000 holders of Chainlink. Okay, and I can flip through here. This shows the quantity, how much of the percentage, the total percentage they have, and the value. If I go to last here, you can see that to be the 1,000th holder, the top 1,000, you need at least 30,000 Chainlink, which is $1.5 million, which is crazy. So then I go and I find an address, right? Um, and I found one already. It's going to be this one over here. I believe it's this one. It's this one. Okay. So then I click this. Okay. And I want to go to filtered by token holder. This is going to show me on this specific address what this address is holding. Okay. So now I'm at this screen. I click down token and I can see all of the ERC20 tokens that this particular address is holding. Okay, pretty cool, but we're not there yet. So then I click this button up here next to the actual address and I click copy address to clipboard. It is now copied. I go to Zapper.fi. I go to here. I right click, click paste. Let's go. And now this is showing me what this specific address is holding and what platform they're also using. So they have a little bit of on their synthetics, 151 tokens, no big deal. And then I can also see what this wallet is completely holding. 5,000 ETH, 8 million USDC. It's pretty cool in my opinion. I found another address on the Aave, and this one had 66 tokens in there. Again, I just click copy address to clipboard. I go here. I now click down here to have the drop, right? Manage addresses, right click, paste, because I copied it from Etherscan, add watched, and now I have another address here I can take a peek at. And how do I go from this address to the other address? Super easy. I click down on the drop arrow, I click this one, and it switches over. So this one has a lot more activity compared to the last one here. They have some Binance Smart Chain. They're using Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Badger DAO. I don't know what hedgic is, or that's even how you say it, but they're yield farming. They have some debt, they have NFTs, they've deposited stuff, and they're also staking. So this person's staking Badger. Pretty cool to see. You can see all of their assets here. Woo, Aave, Rook, all that cool stuff, right? But if you wanted to take it a step further, which you can always do here, this is um, the chain link address we looked at first. So I'll switch back to this. So this is that original address here, okay? And if I want to see what this particular address is doing, I click ERC20 token transactions, and I can see this is the last 25 transactions here, right? So they brought in 1.1 million tether. They're tethering up their USD. They're tethering and they're going to stable coins. They did buy a little bit of this token here, a little bit of Yearn. Got rid of some tether, got rid of some makers. So you can see what these whales are doing. And it's just pretty cool. And you can do this with any address you see on Etherscan. All you gotta do is copy the address and plug it into Zapper.fi. Super cool. I do this all the time. I like to see what the whales are doing, what they're doing with their money, what tokens they're buying, if they're tethering up. I'm just trying to get a feel for what these guys with the big bags and the deep pockets are doing. That's pretty much all I got for you. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at the Mr. Investor. Leave a comment down below if you like this or not. If you didn't like it, tell me why. And if you do like it, please tell me why. Thanks. We'll see you next time.